What's up, YouTube? It's your boy K-Night Garage coming back at you. I want to thank everybody for watching the videos, reaching out, like, sharing, subscribing. I got a lot of views. Like it's keep growing, but I don't do it for that. I just do it for show y'all how I fix stuff and hope I can help somebody else. But yeah, we're gonna tackle the other side. See all this rust here. First, I'm gonna assess it, see where I'm gonna begin. Probably stop right in here, cause that hood, that's gonna be a whole different video. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all how to do damage on this side. Like that. Look like we're missing a chunk right there. Yeah. Fix all that. Got that divot right in there. All this. Yeah. Before I get started, I want to shout out to my wife. She know I be fooling with these cars and she don't bother me at all as long as I'm at the house, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, look what she got me. She ordered this for me, like put around my neck and record so I can get more, I guess, better content. So yeah, shout out to the wife, Fifi. I'm gonna start with my 36 grit grinder. Grind all this down. That's what I'm gonna start with. Y'all seen that on the other video, so I ain't gonna bore you with it. Need something a little more aggressive. I'm gonna try this. Been had this pack, so I'm gonna see how this do. You can see it's eating, but I needed to get down in there. It's getting that surface rust off of there, but I need to get in these pits. So we're gonna try this. That's better. It looks worse than it is. Mostly surface rust with a lot of divots and pits. So I'm just gonna scuff it up with the 80 grit. Then I'm gonna treat this rust. And then we'll go from there. I want to say, even when I'm doing this, you want to keep it flat. That's what I'm using again, Rust Smart. I'm just going to use one of my paint cups. Got brand new cups. Ain't painted nothing, but it's coming. Get it. It don't take a lot. Look how much I got. That's going to go a long way. In the rust, it's going to treat it, turn it black. We're going to put about 2 or 3 coats on it. What I mean by that is apply it, then let it dry, then put some more. Turn it black. And turn all that black. All right, we got that fiberglass up there. I let it dry. Then we got this long string fiberglass filler right here. I let it dry. Well, we're getting there. Still got pinholes in there. Well, they ain't pinholes, they some holes. This still drying. Fiberglass mat still drying. I actually hit it right here. I hope I don't have to redo it, but I'll show you the good with the bad. Got some high spots on this one, like right here. So I'm gonna take my body hammer, knock it in. We're getting there. We're getting there. Done. Still wet though.